Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I want to wish everyone a happy Memorial Day. This video is a tribute to my father-in-law who recently passed away. He retired from the U.S. Army as a sergeant major and served for over 23 years. He did 3 tours in Vietnam and he was an amazing man. Now I realize Memorial Day isn't really a card occasion. I'm not sure who you would give a card to, but it is the time to remember those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for our country. I think it's also the perfect time to thank those that are serving to protect our country. I think sometimes we get so busy with our lives that we forget to step back and remember the real reason for Memorial Day. So for me, I like to take the time to make some cards to thank our heroes. They've done so much for us. I'm making a very simple card using an older Altenew stamp set. It has retired. If I can find a link, I will add it in the description box, but I don't believe it's available any longer. The set is called Land of the Free, and this is a set I plan on keeping for as long as I'm making cards. It's perfect. This is going to be a very simple card. Decided to add the eagle in the center. I'm using the sentiment, "Today is a day to remember." This is a great stamp set. It has a ton of different sentiments. I use the Happy Veterans Day quite a bit. I'll also add a few of the stars that are included in the stamp set. And I'm doing some second generation stamping since I want a very light color for these stars. I wanted to create a pathway of stars as if leading that eagle up toward heaven for those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for our country. After that panel is complete, I'll add this to some red cardstock. So you can see, keeping this card very simple. I don't think it needs anything more. That eagle image is just gorgeous. Put some liquid adhesive on the back and adhere it to that red cardstock. Then I'll put ATG tape on the back of the card front and add it to a card base. And that will finish off this card. Very simple, still very meaningful. And since I have the stamps already set in my mini MISTI, it's easy to reproduce this look. I just have to stamp the little stars separately. I made 2 cards using the sentiment, "Today is a day to remember," and I currently have 4 cards using the sentiment, "Today we honor our heroes," but I'll probably make a few more. It's always nice to thank some of our service members. Our heroes will never be forgotten. My father-in-law will always be in my heart, and this Memorial Day will be a little bit different as we remember him. Thank you so much to everyone who is currently serving or who has served. You will never be forgotten. Happy Memorial Day, everyone.